Organization of extra co-curricular activities. Yes. In 2020, in 2004, I did my basic course as a kite captain. And since then, I have been actively participating in Bharat Scout and Kite Captain. In Kendriya Vidyalaya 5, uh, every year, almost 4 to 5 girls used to get the Rajya Puraskar, and 8 to 9 girls used to get the Tritiya Sopan. And since the Pratham and Ditya Sopan used to be held at Vidyalaya level, so there was a mass scale in Ditya level and the Pratham Sopan. The guides used to get the certificate. Not only this, in the Scout Guide activity, I once went with my 5 scouts and 4 guides to Jodhpur for divisional rally. There we did the knots and we made a beautiful big machan in the camp. So it was very memorable, and every year we used to do the parinda for the birds, and we did lots and lots of cycle rally also we took out, and lots of awareness program used to be taken out in the Vidyalaya or outside the Vidyalaya level. I have worked here in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 5 for almost 10 years from 2002 to 2012. And every year I used to be in charge of one of the dancers of during the annual function. And you still remember in 2005, I was first given the group song, and I did Aao Fir Se Diya Jalaएं, the poem written by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And then after every consecutive year, I started, one dance was Govind Bolo Hari Hari Gopal Bolo. It was a spiritual dance. And then one dance was on the theme Zindagi Maut Na Ban Jaye Sambhalo Jaye. And one year my internship, we organized Bhangra, Punjabi Bhangra dance for the annual function. And in Kendriya Vidyalaya Tong also, when I was transferred to Kendriya Vidyalaya Tong, there I did Holia Re Mure Mure Gulal, which is a Rajasthani dance, and Pankhida O Pankhida, which is a Gujarati dance. Sports and games. Always being a member of the house or being in charge of the housemaster of the house, my special interest was towards the sports and games, because when I was in college, I had an interest in basketball and in table tennis. So when in the school itself, the basketball team, I used to monitor myself, because during the summer vacation, I used to make a team with the help of the sports teacher and used to escort them to the school for the practice, for a lot of practice. I also participated on the sports day in the school, and wherever the sports teacher gave me any duty for like judgment of the kabaddi team or the judgment of the kho-kho team, or when the students are running, then catch the first participant or the second runner or the third runner, I used to perform all, and this was my keen interest, and lots of trophies. And the sports field, my house has done the best, and we have won the trophy in the sports field. I myself as a teacher, I am very fond of giving the speech on the stage. During the morning assembly, I gave a speech on personality development. I read the book of Shiv Kheda ji, and almost I took all the points of Shiv Kheda ji and told the stories on the morning assembly. And then Vedon mein Vigyan, Zero ka Safar, like that, I told the stories related to our Indian culture, and lots of educational tours also. Every year the school used to observe an educational tour, so I used to go with my class, and I have been once given the duty of a census duty in 3 phases. It is 2011, 2012 and 2013. and that was a wonderful experience. And the sports which I said, the sports even I am doing it outside from my own organization, and I'm organization doing it for the women of 18 years and plus, and nearly 150 women they participate in sports. I have chosen two games. One is throw ball competition, and the other is running of 100-meter and 200-meter. So even we are observing that women of the age 60 and above, they are participating in it, and they are actively participating in it. And I am so thankful to Kendriya Vidyalaya 5, because the Kendriya Vidyalaya 5, the sports teachers and the sports officials, they help me in conducting this sports.
अरमानों को एक दिन हम पूरा करके रहेंगे, जो कुछ सोचा था मन में वो हासिल हम करके रहेंगे। अपने अरमानों को एक दिन हम पूरा करके रहेंगे, जो कुछ सोचा था मन में वो हासिल हम करके रहेंगे। चाहे खड़ी हो सामने लोहे की चट्टान, पार करने को से लगा दे अपनी जान। हमने हार कभी मानी नहीं, मानेंगे नहीं, चाहे मुश्किलें हो लाखों हरदम गाएंगे यही। हमने हार कभी